Oh, I need a coffee. Oh. Good morning, Miss Lottie. $2018? I gotta start making some videos! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you again. If this is your first time to the channel, and it likely is because I'm just starting out, my name is Shane. I am a car lover, automobile enthusiast. I have a Corvette, a C5, 2001 C5 Corvette, a little over 600 horsepower, actually 613 horsepower to the rear wheels. That's documented. That's in one of my previous videos. If you want to go and have a look, it's an interesting video. I also have a 2007 Nissan 350Z, which is also supercharged, and that car has, if I'm not mistaken, a little over 500 horsepower to the rear wheels. You're ruining my vlog. Oh, here's a little Miss Lottie. She's a princess, aren't you? You're just so cute. You're so cute. You steal the show, but you gotta go now, okay? Goodbye. Go lay down. Alright, alright guys, let's get back. Where was I? I totally forgot. Right, my name is Shane. Welcome to my channel. I want to have fun with this channel. So I hope you enjoyed that opening little skit. That was kind of a reward for the 2 or 3 people that have been watching my channel from the start. I kind of struggled a little bit in the beginning to get some videos up. I underestimated just how much work this YouTube thing really is, and but I'm back now and I'm ready. I know, like, I am prepared. I feel like I got my feet wet and I know what I'm getting into. I'm much better prepared to tackle this thing and give it a real serious go. I have invested in some gear for the channel. I have some camera equipment. I have, you know, like Steadicam and that kind of stuff. I titled the video MAVIC Air because I also bought a drone. I bought a MAVIC Air drone. So if anyone is tuning in here just because you did a search and you pulled up MAVIC Air, there will be some MAVIC Air shots later in the video. So for those of you that don't really care about cars or you're not really interested in my vlog, you can just skip right to the end and just see the MAVIC Air shots. And I don't pretend to be a pro. Well, actually, you know what? I guess I can say that. Those of you probably don't know that I do actually do wedding photography. Probably not so much anymore, just because, again, it's just one of those things. It's just too much work for me to handle. It's a lot of pressure. My God, it's hit a lot of pressure. So I'll be doing less of that, and probably focus more so on the videography and also landscape photography. My wife and I just went to Grenada. We just had a real nice visit to the country of Grenada, and I probably should have videoed that whole thing. That would be solid gold as far as vlogging goes. I didn't, just because I needed the break and I wanted to completely unplug and just, you know, forget about photography, forget about videography, forget about work, and just go and enjoy myself and have a good time, which is what we did. I took my cameras just for fun, just to, you know, for my own indulgence. Got some nice landscape photos. Maybe I can put up 1 or 2 here. Grenada is, oh man, it was so hot down there. It's just unbelievably warm, but it was a great time. Spent a lot of time on the beach, you know, R&R. got some relaxation, rejuvenation in. So, and now we're back and we're good, and I'm ready to focus on my vlog again. So here we are. I would actually, it's actually supposed to snow here today. I'm just looking out the window. It hasn't snowed yet, so I think we can take the car out. We can go for a little drive. Before we get too far ahead, I just want to give a shout out to some of the people that I know are watching my vlog. So I want to give a shout out to Mod to Fame. If you're into Corvettes or cars in general, go check out his channel, Stefan. This fellow from New York. He has some really good videography. Somehow seems to get himself into some pretty amazing car shows. He always seems to be at the right place at the right time. So go check him out. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Stealth 204. That's my boy down in, I think it's Arizona, if I'm not mistaken. It might be New Mexico, but I'm pretty sure it's Arizona. So he's also got a C5 Corvette, bright red, and I think it has something like 800 bald eagles, he would say, 800 bald eagles. Except, so the thing is, if you don't know, I'm Canadian, so I can't say bald eagles. I have to say bald beavers. So 800 bald beavers. Can I say that on YouTube? Holy crap, I might get censored. But he's got 800 bald beavers in his car, so go check out his channel. Also Rico Suave, who is in, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's Illinois, right around the Chicago area. Also has a C5 Corvette, really nice. He's been to some of the bigger car shows. So guys, be sure to go and check that out. You know what, I think, like I said, they are calling for snow today, so I think we should go get in the car and go for a drive. So let's head out. All right, you can see we still have a little bit of snow. I still have my Christmas decorations up, and yeah, I'll take those down. Anyway, let's do the cold start, and this is actually going to be a really cold start because it's pretty close to freezing, the temperatures right now, and actually, I haven't started the car since, I think it was the end of July. So, so let's see if it'll even start here. Oh. All right, here we go. Yeah, baby! Listen to that! Yeah. Oh, yes. How I missed this car. Oh my lord. I gotta say, that's pretty impressive for this car. I remember I parked it in at the end of July. That was right after the Corvette rally that I did last year. No, sorry, I did take it out one time. I took it out one time to wash it. That would have been September, I think. Sometime in September I had it running. But regardless, anyway, so that's been, you know, a good 5-6 months anyway. And it just started right up, no problem. You know what I mean? The car has 600 horsepower at the wheels. Totally reliable. These cars are notorious for losing a charge after 5 or 6 days only. So, you know, you got to keep it on the battery tender pretty much all the time. I just let it trickle all winter. But yeah, to get in and have it fire right up like that, this to me is really impressive. So I'm very happy with this little girl. So last time I made a video, I think I had 11 subscribers, only 11. And I think now at the last time I checked, even though I haven't uploaded any videos, my subscriber count has kind of been going up a little bit. I think I'm at like 3 dozen subscribers now, something like that. So a big shout out to everybody that's new to the channel. Thanks for watching, and you know, I apologize for not putting out videos. That's going to change. My intention now is definitely try to hit this a little more regular, at least once a week. That's my goal to start with. I do have a day job and it keeps me pretty busy, so you know, I don't think I don't want to get too ambitious and then burn out trying to make videos and not being able to do it and have that disappointment. So to me, 1 video a week is probably a realistic goal to start with. And then maybe, you know, once I get a little better at it and I've got a better workflow, maybe I can up that to, you know, a couple of videos every few days or something like that. Oh, we got a tunnel coming up here, boys. Okay, let's throw the windows down for this one. Oh yeah. Whoops, getting some dirty looks from those people.
hours later.
Oh, why did I come down here? Oh, these potholes are ginormous. This is how bad this road is. Listen, listen, listen. Like, look at the size of that pothole. I could literally step right in. Like, look at this. Oh my lord! And they're all over. Like, look at that. Look at them all. But look at that sweet thing.